People ask me all the time, if I've been in a car accident, what does it take to have a successful case? What does it take to win a money settlement? And I tell people there's three essential elements. Number one, documented injuries. Even if the other party was at fault, and even if they're a deep pocket, you're not likely to get a big settlement unless you suffered injuries. Now, you may get money to get your car fixed, and towing fees and rental car fees, but really big damages come with medical injuries and pain and suffering. It doesn't necessarily have to be a serious injury. It could be whiplash or soft tissue injury. The more serious the injury, the more your case is worth, but there has to be some sort of documented injury. Number two, liability. Somebody else has to be at fault. The best cases are where the other person is clearly 100% at fault. However, California law allows you to recover damages even if you were partially at fault, but the amount of your recovery is reduced by the extent of your fault. So you need to have injuries, and the other side has to be at least partially at fault. If you have both of these, then there's just one more element that must be present. That is insurance coverage or a deep pocket on the other side. Insurance coverage can be the other person's insurance, or it could be your uninsured motorist coverage. If you have these three things, injuries, the other person at fault, and there is insurance coverage, then you have the ingredients to get a good settlement of your auto accident claim.